Hello and welcome to this video on how to create a strong net password. Whether you are setting your initial net password or resetting your current net password, there are a few guidelines that you will need to follow. Go to NetPassword.msstate.edu and you will be on the NetPassword maintenance page. Here is where you can set your initial net password or reset your current net password. We will start by looking at how to set your initial net password. Click the link Set Your Initial Net Password under the NetPassword Maintenance heading. In the next window, initialize your net password, enter your NetID, your 9-digit MSU ID, and your birth date, and then click Submit. When creating a net password, the only specific guideline for a net password is that it needs to be between 16 and 128 characters. However, users will be prompted to try something else if their password contains common words, phrases, patterns, etc. that match known insecure passwords or have been previously used by the user. One method for creating a strong and long net password is to create a passphrase, which is a more secure way to create a password that uses a string of random words instead of a string of random characters. Passphrases tend to be easier to remember, longer, and more secure than most user-generated passwords. However, weak passphrases are still susceptible to password-related cyber attacks. To create strong passphrases, you should avoid using personal information, including a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. You may be wondering why the length of the net password has changed to 16 plus characters. This chart shows the number of characters in a password and the time it takes to crack that password. Why 16 plus characters? Well, a 16 character password with upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters will take 3 trillion years to hack. Whereas an 8 to 11 character password using only numbers or only lowercase letters can be hacked almost instantly. Having a 16 plus character net password gives your personal and confidential information, as well as Mississippi State University, protection from those bad players intent on compromising accounts. Now we'll look at a few password do's and don'ts. One of the password do's is to start with a phrase or part of a song you can remember. Now convert that to a password using the first letter in each word. Remember, you need at least 16 characters. Use capital and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Now here are some password don'ts. Do not use your network username as your password. Don't use easily guessed passwords such as password or user. Do not choose passwords based on details that may not be as confidential as you'd expect, such as your birth date, social security number, or phone numbers, or names of family members or pets. Here are some password don'ts. Do not use words that can be found in the dictionary. Password cracking tools freely available online often come with dictionary lists that will try thousands of common names and passwords. If you must use dictionary words, try adding a numeral to them, as well as punctuation at the beginning or end of the word, or both. Avoid using simple adjacent keyboard combinations, such as the ones listed below, because these are horrible passwords that are trivial to crack. Contact the ITS Service Desk for more help or for more information. They're located in 108 Allen Hall or 662-325-0631. You can email them at ServiceDesk.msstate.edu or visit the Service Desk website at ServiceDesk.msstate.edu. Thank you for watching this video.